Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly set up the Tenda T10 N300 Wi-Fi range extender for a stronger and more reliable wireless connection. You'll learn the complete setup process using the web interface, along with the best placement tips to maximize your Wi-Fi range. We also cover factory reset instructions and solutions for common connection problems, making this the perfect guide for both beginners and experienced users. Whether you're installing the extender for the first time or resetting it after a factory reset, this easy-to-follow guide will help you get connected in minutes. So let's start the setup process. Firstly, unbox the extender box. Inside the Tenda T10 N300 range extender box, you'll typically find the Tenda T10 Extender, a quick installation guide, and a warranty card. Everything you need to get started is included, making the setup process fast and easy. Take the Tenda T10 range extender and plug it into a power outlet close to your main Wi-Fi router. Wait for about 1 minute until the power LED becomes solid. This indicates that the extender has powered on successfully and is ready for configuration. Open Wi-Fi settings on your mobile, laptop, or PC. Look for the Wi-Fi name, Tenda_XT, or similar. Tap or click to connect. No password is required at this stage. You must stay connected to this network during setup. Open any web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari. In the address bar, type one of these and press enter, http://are.tenda.cn or http://192.168.0.254. The Tenda Setup Wizard page will open automatically. If the page does not open, make sure mobile data is turned off and you are connected to Tenda_A33_EXT. The setup page will scan for available networks. Select your main Wi-Fi network, 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz, or both if dual band. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Set the extended network name, SSID. You can use the same name as your main Wi-Fi or change it. Confirm and wait for the extender to reboot, usually 1 or 2 minutes. Once rebooted, the LED will turn solid green or blue, depending on model, indicating a good connection. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.